In this video, you'll how to track a moving object with a camera in Blender. As you can see, this technique lets you capture your own object in a cool, dynamic 3D shot. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track an object with your camera in Blender. I've already created a simple animation here, where a cube just moves across the scene. Let's look through the current camera view. As you can see, the cube starts to move out of the camera's frame at the animation plays. We need to set up the camera so it keeps tracking the cube. First, select your camera, and then go to the Constraint Properties tab on the right side. Under the Add Object Constraint drop-down, choose Track To. You should see a section labeled Target. Click the eyedropper icon and select the object you want to track, either in the 3D viewport or in the outliner. In this case, we'll select the moving cube I just animated. That's all the setup we need. Let's switch back to the camera view and hit play. As you can see, the camera now follows and continues to film the cube throughout the entire animation. That's it for today. See you next time.